Welcome everyone. In this video, I wanted to show you how to enable your Proxmox nodes just through VPN. It's always good to have VPN. We don't want to expose any IPs or ports to the internet. So our cluster is now in local network, right? And what if I would like to access, for example, my node 3 lab 2 via internet. So for example, I'm in a different location, I want to configure something. I don't want to expose any IPs or ports publicly. I want to do that through VPN. So I did some research over the internet and people are suggesting tailscale.com, right? If you go to tailscale.com, log in and you'll be able to access your machines. I have few machines added. I have node 1, node 2, but I don't have that node 3 yet. I want to add that node with you. So now let's go to like Windows. I'm in Windows 11. I'm accessing my cluster, my nodes via Windows 11. Not because I like Windows, I don't, but in my setup now it's very comfortable for me to use Windows. And probably many people are using Windows as well on their laptops and machines. So I'll show you how to access that via Windows. From Mac OS and from Linux is the same kind of process. I've accessed that via Mac, via my Samsung Galaxy phone, and via my iPad. It's possible to install Tailscale on different machines. And yeah, so let's try to connect to that node via a terminal. Let's go to shell IPA. So where is it? So that's my IP 203. If I go now to terminal, I want to ping it. I can ping it, no worries. But that's in the local network, right? But what we want to do, we want to install Tailscale on it. So I'm going to Tailscale. I'm pressing add device, Linux server. How long the key will be valid for, I don't want that, so I'll copy that command here. Copy. I'm going back to Tailscale, paste. I don't want the additional settings, so I'll remove a few lines here. I'm going to leave just that part. So that's curl, the address, and then sudo tailscale app. So let's copy that tailscale app only command, paste, and we should see after 1 second or after like few seconds that kind of address. So let's copy that. I'm going to Chrome browser. You can't see my address bar, but I'm going to paste that in now. It will take me to Tailscale login page. I'm going to log in with my credentials. After logging in, I should see that connect device window. I'll press connect, login successful. If I go now to machines page in Tailscale, I should see that node 3 lab. The name is the same like in the Proxmox. But I want to unify a little bit the IPs. So I will go here, I'll press those three dots, edit machine IP. So it will be 100, 100, there's 1 and 203. I want to stay consistent. In my local network, this one is .203, so here I'm gonna keep it 203 as well. Update IP. IP is updated, like you can see, and is connected. So what I have I know the IP through the VPN, but now I don't have the VPN enabled on my Windows machine. So you have to go to Tailscale and install client for example, for Windows. I'm in the Windows, so I have the client for Windows, and run it on your machine. So your client and host machine will be with the same network. There'll be a tunnel between them. So now I don't have that enabled. The Tailscale VPN is not enabled, but is installed. So let me just try to ping the address without VPN enabled. So it's disabled now. Let's press enter. So like you can see, is destination is unreachable, so it cannot find it. Let me go to Windows and connect uh, connect to VPN. And now let's ping it. As you can see, ping is working fine. So I was able to ping that host and 201 as well, because I have that 201 here. Node 201 is here. I can do the same with node 2. I can ping it, but I don't have node 4 yet. So let's repeat the process. So let's paste. It's not that command, sorry. Not that command. So let's go again, add device. We need just that sh. So we need just that part. So let's install it first. Okay, has been installed. So okay, let's run Tailscale app. I should see again the URL. Let's copy that URL. Let's go to browser. Again, I'll paste that link. Because I'm logged in, I can press connect. And if I go to machines, I should see node 4 here. Node 4, yep, node 4 NAS is there. Let's change the IP to be, oops, wrong button, baby. Let's go to IP. Let's change it to 1204. We want to be consistent. That's node number 4. So I'm going to keep the IP as 204. Update IP. Let's ping now 204. I'm in the VPN on my Windows, so I can ping it, but let me disable that on Windows, the Tailscale VPN, and I'll try to ping it now. It's unreachable. So yeah, that's about it. It's working fine. So yeah, let's maybe go to, let me first enable the VPN. So VPN is enabled, and I'll go to Thermius. That's the app that I'm using for SSH, for terminal access. And let me add a new host. IP will be 101.204. The label is node for VPN. I'm going to name that node like this, root, and let me type the password. And let's try to connect to it. Yep, I was able to connect to that node. Clear. Because I'm in the VPN, so I can do, I can manage that, sorry, that I can manage that node through VPN, is accessible through internet. I just have to be within the same VPN network. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Leave any comments if you have any questions. Bye.